On numbers 11 and 12, you're asked if a triangle has the side lengths that are given, is it a right triangle? Now, even though your answer is just yes or no, please don't guess, and make sure that you show your work. So this kind of builds on what you did in numbers 9 and 10, because you are told you're trying to find out if it's a right triangle. Remember, if it's a right triangle, then Pythagorean theorem works for it. A squared plus b squared must equal c squared. And so that's what you're going to be using on number 11 and 12, is you're going to see, do these three sides satisfy the Pythagorean theorem? Now, remember, the only number that you specifically have to put in the right spot is the hypotenuse. Since you're not given drawings of these triangles, the only way you're going to know which one is the hypotenuse is the fact that it has to be the longest side. And so when I'm looking at these side lengths, if this is a right triangle, the 10 is the one that would have to be the hypotenuse. And on number 12, the longest side here is 26. That would be the hypotenuse if that's a right triangle. So knowing that that would have to be the hypotenuse, then the other two sides have to be your A and B values. So to see if it's a right triangle, I'm going to see, is 4 squared plus 6 squared equal to 10 squared? So remember, always your longest side goes in for the C. You're not looking, is 4 plus 6 equal to 10? You have to square these numbers. 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. 6 squared, 6 times 6 is 36. 10 squared, 10 times 10 is 100. Well, 16 and 36 added together give me 52, and that's not equal to 100, obviously. So these are not the sides of a right triangle. So let's look at number 12. Remember, the longest one has to go in for C, so these are my A and B values. 24 squared plus 10 squared, is it equal to 26 squared? So 24 squared, 24 times 24 is 576. 10 times 10 is 100. Is that equal to 26 squared? 26 times 26 is 676. Yes, 576 plus 100 is 676. So, yes, that one works. So these are the three sides of a right triangle.